Imagine growing tiny plants and making 50,000 rupees per month from home. Sounds crazy? It's real. Let me show you how. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's 100% real. In this video, I'll show you how to start a microgreens farm, what to grow, where to sell, and how to make big profits. Let's get started. Microgreens are superfoods, tiny plants that grow in just 7 to 14 days. And guess what? They sell for 1,500 to 2,500 rupees per kilogram. That's why top restaurants, gyms, and organic stores are crazy about them. And the best part? You don't need land or huge investments. Even a small space at home can make you big money. Starting a microgreens farm is super simple. Here's what you need: seeds, pea, mustard, sunflower, radish, trays and soil/coco peat, water spray bottle, indirect sunlight or LED lights. Just spread the seeds in a tray, spray some water, and boom. In 7 days, they're ready to sell. Worried about space? Relax. You can start with just 50 square feet. Investment? Only 3,000 to 5,000 rupees for trays, seeds, and lights. And daily effort? Just 15 to 20 minutes per day. That's it. Now, let's talk about making money. Here's where you can sell microgreens. Restaurants and 5-star hotels, top chefs love them. Organic stores and supermarkets, high demand for fresh greens. Online platforms, Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato. Sell directly to GYMS and health enthusiasts. Pro tip: approach chefs directly. Microgreens make their dishes look premium. Selling microgreens is easy when you know the right strategy. Here's how. Create an Instagram page and post daily updates. Offer subscription plans, 2,000 rupees per month for weekly fresh microgreens. Partner with cafes and dietitians for long-term orders. Give free samples to get your first customers. Remember, the first 10 customers will build your entire business. Harvest at 7 to 10 days for the best taste and nutrition. Use airtight, biodegradable packaging to keep them fresh for 7 to 10 days. Want to stand out? Add a QR code on your packaging for instant reorders. Okay, here's what you've been waiting for. How much money can you make? Example, calculation. Grow 10 trays per week, sell at 300 rupees per tray. Monthly revenue equals 1,20,000 rupees, times 4 weeks equals 48,000 rupees. Profit equals 50,000 rupees minus 15,000 rupees. Seeds, packaging, logistics equals 35,000 rupees. And this can scale up to 1 lakh rupees per month. Want to start? Want to master microgreens and hydroponics? Get our Modern Hydroponics Certificate course and download the Microgreens Guide ebook from our website now. Learn step-by-step how to grow, sell, and profit from microgreens with expert guidance. Link in the description. Start your microgreens journey today. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more farming business ideas.